4 robbers arrested after chase and shootout with cops.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Viewers, 4 men were arrested and a firearm seized following a robbery on Riddles Road, St. Andrew on Thursday the 3rd of December. Reports from the police are that about 3:45 p.m. lawmen from the St. Andrew North Police Anti-Robbery Initiative team responded to a robbery in progress. The team, supported by the Police Emergency Communication Center and Jamaica Eye, was able to intercept a black Toyota Isis motorcar off Constant Spring Road with robbers aboard along Charlton Alley in the parish. The driver of the vehicle was signaled to stop. However, he sped off and crashed a short distance away. The police said the men then exited the vehicle and opened gunfire at the officers. The lawmen actively pursued them, apprehended all 4, and seized a semi-automatic pistol with a magazine affixed and several 9mm rounds of ammunition. The vehicle was searched and several cellular phones, 1 laptop, an undetermined sum of cash and other personal belongings to include purses and handbags were recovered. The police said the vehicle fits the description of a car that has featured in several robberies in Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Catherine and St. Thomas. In light of this recovery, lawmen are appealing to anyone who was robbed in recent times to make contact with the Constant Spring Police at 876-924-1421 or 876-924-1435. In addition, persons who previously made reports are encouraged to revisit their local police stations.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!